Welcome back. This is the continuation video of how to count rhythms. So here, we're going to go ahead and mix these notes up a bit. So here in the time signature, before you always count music or you play music or anything, you always look at the time signature and the key signature. Right now, since we're just counting music, we're looking at just the time signature. So for this time signature, we have 3/4, the top number, 3 beats per measure. So right here we have 3/4 notes. Again, for this measure, the number that needs to be completed to is at 3. Not 4, just 3. So quarter notes has 1 beat. So again, we're having a big 1, big 2, big 3. Well, you would clap that. Simple. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. Now, this figure here, what is that? That is a half note with a dot. So if you guys remember, it is what we call a dotted half note. And again, the dot takes half the value of the previous note and adds to it. So your formula is right there. Half note plus dot equals. Well, we know that a half note is 2 beats. The dot takes half that value, so half of 2 will be 1. Added together, it has 3 beats. So right here, this dotted half note is going to be played for 3 beats. So it's going to be strummed once, the big 1, a little 2, a little 3. So the way you would clap it is 1, 2, 3. Now, this is where we're going to get into mixing some notes. We have a pair of 8th notes and a quarter note. Okay? Sorry, that's wrong. Pair of 8th notes and a half note. Sorry. So, the 8th notes, again, we count them as 1 and. Half note has 2 beats, so you can draw a big 2 and a little 3. And that completes that measure of rhythms, because we went up to 3. So the way you would clap that, again, you clap all the big numbers and you do not clap the little ones. So it would be 1 and 2, 3. That is how you do that. In the next lesson, we will be going over what will be on the test. Please check that out.